Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare copper versus PEX versus Sharkbite. We'll explore the key characteristics of each plumbing material, helping you understand their unique benefits and drawbacks. This comparison will cover aspects like installation, cost, and overall performance, so you can make an informed decision for your next project. Let's dive into the details of these popular options. Copper has been a plumbing standard for decades, known for its strength and resistance to high temperatures. However, its rigid nature means more labor-intensive installations, often requiring soldering. PEX, on the other hand, is incredibly flexible, making it much easier to route through walls and around corners. It also offers excellent freeze resistance, a significant advantage in colder climates, and is generally less expensive to purchase and install. Sharkbite fittings revolutionize plumbing connections by offering a tool-free solution. They create a watertight seal by simply pushing the fitting onto the pipe, compatible with copper, PEX, and CPVC. This ease of use makes them perfect for quick repairs or DIY projects where traditional soldering or crimping isn't feasible or desired. While convenient, these fittings typically cost more per unit than traditional methods, a factor to consider for larger jobs. When considering cost, copper usually represents the highest investment due to material expense and specialized installation. PEX provides a more budget-friendly option, both in material and labor, while still offering excellent durability and a long lifespan, often exceeding 50 years. Sharkbite fittings, while convenient, can add up in cost for extensive projects. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed during your next home improvement task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.